Hey Conquerors, thank you for clicking on yet another Conquering Asia YouTube video. So today is obviously my Halloween themed, hold on, let me put my eye patch on even though it's really ag. I don't know about the gold and the money, but I got the booty. I'm in my kitchen because all of my lights went out everywhere else in my house. Weirdly, as I'm doing a Halloween tutorial. So this look that I have for you guys today is just like, you know, I'm trying to give pirate vibes with this look. It's just a heavy eyeshadow, dark eyeshadows, hella smoky eye. You know, gloss lashes, a little bit of glow. My Halloween costume, I did get it from Fashion Nova. It came with these arm things, the scarf, and the belt, and the dress. I bought the stockings, the eye patch, and the hoop separately. I got it last year, but I never wore it last year, so I told myself I would wear it this year, and coincidentally, luckily, it fits still. I believe that you can honestly get this exact costume anywhere because it didn't have a Fashion Nova tag on it, and I don't think it was exclusively to Fashion Nova. So like, yeah, it's hella comfortable. I'm just wearing Vans with it. I'm not doing the most. I don't, listen, when it comes time for me to have fun and go out with friends, I don't do the most. I'm wearing sneakers. So if you want to watch me get ready for my Halloween party that I'm going to be heading to this evening. Do pirates do the chicken head? I don't think pirates do the chicken head. Keep watching. Also make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go, or you can hit it right now since you're already here. Might as well click it. Just join. Just click it. I don't know why I felt the need to shave my legs before I put these on, but I did, so I'm proud. Alright, so without further ado, let's get to the video. Okay, so I have my brows on, I have my face and my base on already. I'm looking a little dark right here, and normally I would try to fix that, but right now it's part of the pirate thing, you know? It's my beard. It's my 5 o'clock shadow. First part I'm going to get into is this eyeshadow. I just did my base like I normally do. I did my brows with my brow powder. What else did I do? Oh, fun fact, for brow powder, I use this beaten up chocolate bar palette, and I use this color and this color mixed together. And I've been using it for like 6 months and it works wonders. For foundation, I have my Fenty Beauty foundation on, which is my favorite foundation ever. My Too Faced Born This Way concealer and the Too Faced Born This Way translucent setting powder. I have this door open for dramatic effect for the theme of this Halloween video, and I don't know, it's creeping me out. I kind of want to close it because I feel like somebody's gonna walk up behind me as I'm doing my makeup. So let's close that. So first things I'm going to do is I'm going to take this black crayon-like thing that I got from the Halloween store. So I'm going to use this as the base. And I already primed my lids. And I just put the Born This Way concealer and set it with setting powder. Ooh, this is going to be a dark look. BT dubs. I repeat, I am not a beauty guru. I say this all the time. Listen, I do my makeup the same way every day. If not, I have 2 ways that I do my makeup. And the only difference between the 2 of them is that I make a wing one day and add lashes. Going on with this Halloween theme, you know, who wants to hear a supernatural kind of story? I have tons. Wow, that went up higher than I anticipated it going. I'm like really hesitant to talk about it because next I'm going into BT Dubs. I'm going to this Alice in Wonderland palette, and I'm taking the chessboard shade and I'm putting it in my crease before I go in with another layer of black. I don't really talk about this stuff because I feel like, 1, it freaks people out, and 2, a lot of people are skeptics. And I don't know, I really don't want to talk about it right now because I really don't want to bring anything back into my house because I just saged this apartment and blessed my apartment again. I've had paranormal experiences in my life since I was a little girl. Probably since I was in the crib, my parents would tell you. It runs on my father's side of the family, so we see things, you know, it happens. I'll go with a more friendly story, if you will, or a story that I'm more comfortable with. Yeah, I actually don't think I want to tell me stories. I'm getting nervous. I was visiting my dad this was when he lived in Vegas still. I was visiting my dad and my younger siblings in Vegas. We were going, I don't know where we were heading, but we were heading somewhere with my dad, my 2 younger siblings, my younger sister, my younger brother, and my stepmother. And I went upstairs to like do my makeup, and just get myself together to go. Oh, well, let me backtrack a little bit. So, a few years ago, one of my older brothers, Tyler, passed away unexpectedly. And it was really sad for our family because, and I'm just going back in with that shade again, for our family because Tyler was literally one of the best people I've ever known in my life. He was not a confrontational person at all. He was a very loving kind of person. You know, he loved his sisters. He loved his brothers. He's just a good person. I'm going in with this triple fudge shade and with a kind of flat blending brush, and I'm going over the black. Mind you, this look is not supposed to be like nice and clean. It's just supposed to be dark because I'm a pirate. Arr. This happened a few years after Tyler passed away. I was back to the place I was in. We had just like shared some memories about him and we're laughing about him because he was a jokester. He loved to play tricks on people. I could literally still remember his laugh like he's in this apartment with me because he had that laugh like gotcha kind of laugh. So after we had just finished talking about him, I went back upstairs to, you know, prepare myself to leave and like do my makeup because we were going somewhere. And as I'm sitting there literally thinking about the stuff we were talking about my brother, and I'm thinking about him, the door right next to me shakes like one of these as I'm doing my makeup. As that happens, I pause, of course, like anybody would, and I'm just like, I literally just pause and stand there. At that point, screw the makeup, forget the makeup. I don't even care about the makeup. Makeup is as good as it's gonna get. I would go downstairs and quietly, because I didn't want to scare my younger brother and my younger sister, I tell my dad that Tyler is upstairs. And the reason I know it was my brother was because, like I said, he was a jokester, he was a trickster. We had just been talking about him, and he shook the door as I'm sitting there doing my makeup. You know, when you know your family members, and you know, by the way, I went in with this Makeup Forever Intense Payoff Gliding Eye Pencil in black, and I just went along my lash line. But when you know your family members, and you know like their energy, you know how they are, you know them, you can tell. So I could tell it was him. And so as I whispered to my dad, he told me it was okay to say out loud that he was upstairs. So I said it in front of my stepmother, who is her son, and in front of my younger siblings, and my sister just instantly starts crying. And as she's crying and I'm telling her it's okay, it's just our brother and everything, my dad is like slowly walking around to see if he feels anything or hears him. And we all get quiet and we're about to leave the house, and from upstairs we hear, like, I kid you not, we hear like a laugh, like a and it sounded identical to his laugh. You know, it was a little scary at first, but it was like, it's just you. It was a nice surprise, you know. It was nice to have him around, nice to feel his energy. I've always had, like I said earlier, I've always had like experiences, and so is my father and so is my brother. Most of them good, some of them have been bad. I don't want to talk about the bad ones because I don't want to bring those back around, because this house is blessed. I'm a woman and a child of God, and I don't welcome anyone in this home that is not supposed to be here. So take this Morphe flat concealer brush and do it, and I'm gonna go into this shade called Reflection in this same Alice in Wonderland palette. So right now I'm on my way to a friend's Halloween costume party, and I'm geeked because A, I never go anywhere. Like all my friends will tell you, they always try to get me to come out the house, and I'm always saying no, because I'm either A, doing homework, B, editing, or C, sleeping. And if I don't have to do the first two, and I have an opportunity to sleep, I'm gonna take the opportunity to sleep. I'm excited because I feel like now I'm gonna finally understand and feel what it feels like to be a normal 24-year-old and go out and have fun. I'm not wearing a wig with this costume today because I just did a quick weave, and I will link up here my video on how to do a quick weave and also the hair that I used. I will link in the description box because it's bomb hair and it's hella cheap. If you haven't seen that video already, click off of this one, watch that video, and then come back to this video to just tell me, like, sis, how'd you find that hair? So now I'm gonna go underneath my lash line just a little bit with this, just a little, because I don't want it ridiculously. I mean, it is Halloween, so I could go ridiculous. My best friend in this entire world, which I have other best friends, so let me not say in the entire world. My best friend just gave birth yesterday to a beautiful baby girl, Savannah Danielle. We share the same middle name. I'm just so happy for her. Like, I get emotional when I think about it or talk about it because that's like, you know, I believe in soulmates and everybody has soulmates, and I feel like, and I've always felt like Mary was like one of my soulmates, if not like my soulmate, because we always used to tell people when we were in college, now I'm going under my eyes with that triple fudge shade again. We always used to tell people that we were sisters, and people used to believe it. But we always used to tell people that we were sisters. That's how close we are, and that's how close we were. And like, when you have those people on this planet that understand you and don't judge you for anything, you can literally talk to them about anything and it will be a judgment-free conversation. That's my person, you know. Her and my soon-to-be brother-in-law, I say brother-in-law because me and Mary aren't really sisters, who is the perfect person for her. He, like, Mary and I both have strong personalities, but Mary has a strong personality in the sense that, like, she's very strong-willed. She knows what she wants. She knows what she will and won't put up with. And he's perfect for that, talking about her so much. I miss her. Because, you know, the older you get, you don't get to see your friends as often as you used to. So, you know, she's extremely happy right now. I just talked to her today. She said she's on cloud 9, as she deserves to be. I look dead. Was that the vibe? I wasn't trying to look dead. I'm happy that my people around me are happy. Wow. Would I wear this regularly? Not like this, no. No, I look scary. My teeth look really white though. Then some lashes, and these ones, can you see them? These ones are, well, obviously these aren't coming till January of 2019. Okay, I'm gonna get closer, but I don't know if you guys can see. First of all, not full coverage, whatever. That's the eyeshadow look. These are these lashes. Oh my God, these lashes. These lashes. I'm supposed to have more coming, but the manufacturing and supplying place is just, my Asya taking this color right here and dabbing out. This is a Japanese brush. Every time I think about trying to be a cute pirate or trying to come off as a cute pirate, I feel like the women that pirates had on their ships were prostitutes, weren't they? Fact check that for me, please, but I'm almost positive I'm right. My very dirty, very dusty Pat McGrath Labs Bronze 005 in the cream. You can see it. Shit. Astronauts can see this shit. So now that that is done, I'm gonna take my Bad Gal Bang, my mini Bad Gal Bang, into my lower lash line. Ridiculous. I'm sure that's not where it hooks. I'm sure it hooks like it's supposed to hook, like right there. So for my gloss, I'm gonna just do my normal gloss, Hefty, and do my Cupid's bow first, which is probably gonna look like snot to some people. Some people think this looks like snot. And then take that on my lips. I probably wasn't the best idea, but you know, YOLO. Okay, so thank you for watching my Halloween party. Get ready with me. Yes, glow chest. Look at that. Look at that cleavage. Honestly, this actually turned out a lot better than I thought it would, especially with these lashes. Hashtag Conquered Lash Co. coming soon, January 2019. Thank you for watching this video. Again, make sure you subscribe before you leave. You're already a conqueror. You might as well join the Conquering Asia family, right? Alrighty, thanks again for watching. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.